judge you, as you know. I could stay forever.
In today's video, I purchased this bag from Hobby Lobby, and it was $3.49, and it comes 16 pieces, so it comes 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 and 4. But in today's project, this is a real good deal for $3.49, and sometimes you can get it on sale, so excellent deal. But for today's project, I bought this piece of wood with the bark still on it, and it was $79.99, and I think I got it for 40% off, and that's project number 1 today. For project number 2, easy peasy DIY today, is this candle that I've purchased at Dollarama, and I paid $2.50, and I bought 2 of these. I'm not going to need 2 of them, but I really liked it, and it's flower stickers, and there's 12 pieces, and they have a little pearl in the center, and I'm going to be using some pearl push pins. It still has the bark on the side. I thought, you know what, I can really do something with it. I had somebody ask on my Instagram to show a picture of my nails, and she did the little star up there, and you know what, guys, she did this all freehand. Anyways, what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to make a riser. I'm going to use them as little feet. First, we're going to paint these because I don't want them just plain like this. Oh my gosh, I can't stop eating these. They're Willy Wallaby licorice. And this is just at the Dollar Tree, and it was, I think, $1.25. So 3 pieces of these is 120 calories. I must have eaten a whole bag today. There isn't very many in there. Oh, I have one more. So it's like this. What can I tell you? I like it. I'm going to start off painting these with just a regular bear, and it's called Snow Dust, which is just like an off-white.
When you're lying in my arms, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now
Set this aside to dry, and we're going to go on to the next step. Of course, I should have been wearing gloves, but you know, it is what it is. I went back actually for some more, and they were all out. So if you do catch them again, and if you go there and they do have them, make sure to grab it. It would expose more of the bark for the top. So I think I'm going to use this side. I'm going to make sure that I wipe all this out, just to make sure there's no bits and pieces of the wood. The edges are kind of flaky, so you might get a little bit crumbs that go on top. We're gonna leave that because I'm gonna seal it at the end. I'm going to apply the black stain, and I'm using Dixie Belle. Usually apply it with another type of sponge. I'm gonna try these at the dollar store. So this was $27. Dab a little bit here and see how that goes first. Oh, I love it. The thing with stain is that you want to see how I dabbed a little too much over there, and it kind of stayed. So you want to make sure that you rub it right away, and always go with a grain. Oh, I love that color. I kind of want to go real quick here. Try putting it on here, see if it'll work. Oh, it does too. This is my dollar store sponge, and it's perfectly fine. Even it out. Now this soaks into the wood right away. Just pour some in there. Oh, and see how it sinks into the wood? So you don't want that. It is the sides. Not too fussy about it. But it's just an FYI. The bark is all here, so I'm going to seal it with Mod Podge. I like the bark, but I don't want it flaking off. Now I'm gonna set it aside and let it dry, and we're gonna go back to the feet. Black. The stain is dry. The Mod Podge is still drying, so I'm okay because I don't need to get in there. And what I'm going to do is place these on here, close to the edge as possible. Maybe about like that. How would this look like this? Would that look cute? I don't know, like painting it in a different color. Maybe the stripes or polka dots. But that's a thought for next time. So for this part, I have E6000. I'm just gonna put a dab. And I'm going to set it where I want it, right over here. And I'm gonna press it down. Oop. I'm just gonna let the glue dry there now. And we're gonna go on to the next project while this is drying. So these were $2.25 at a dollar store. I was going to check the bottom, but I'm not going to do that because I already have a few of them checkered. I've got this one done, and now I'm gonna do this one. So this is what these two look like. Bought them on Amazon, and these are pearl pins, push pins, and there's 4 different sizes. So this is what I want you to see. I've got this size, and I'm just going to poke it in there. If you want to burn the candle, it's fine. You can just remove these and use up your candle. So I'm gonna have to cut these because they are kind of attached and I don't want them attached. And then I'm going to dab that right in the center. Now let's go display these. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.